shelter so they don't get wet? I mean, if it rains,
Well, see,
let's move on this dump.
I got this.
Don't know how to do that?
Oh yeah, they stay in it. And I got this little hanger here so I can keep food over here for them. I got a platform on top so it'll feel like home. And of course the stump that they were born in.
Okay.
So, you ready to get them? Let's get them.
What?
What? This is cool. No, actually it's a success. You know, because they were never meant to be in the house forever. Right?
Are they out flying around?
You got it?
Alright, fella, come on now. Come on, baby. Come on. Don't you bite me. Come on. She's not happy about this.
It's gonna be happy.
Look, she's like,
Come on.
Look, their beaks have gotten longer.
Yeah,
I'm
they
sorry,
have.
babe. Look at them.
Yeah, I know.
You'll like it,
You're gonna
babe.
be happy
It's
with
okay.
this.
She's not happy.
Y'all are gonna be happy with this.
Stop it.
Say
babe.
goodbye to the little ones. Here they go. It's time for them to go into their new habitat.
Look, Charlie's not happy. Come on, come on, baby.
Where's your stump?
Uh-oh.
Where'd you go? Get up here. Get the stump. Come on.
Oh, no.
There you go. Get up there. Don't get in.
The other one, baby.
He's already on the tree. Willow's already on the tree over here.
But we should tell them where the food was, baby.
Well, they kind of decided they were going to go the way they were going.